Hello viewers, in this video I am going to show you how to fix this phone number cannot be used for verification Gmail account. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you do not make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. Okay, so let's get started. First method, turn off and on airplane and check internet connection. Now go to your second method. Go to your setting. Tap on this. Scroll down little bit. Find your apps. Tap on apps. Search your Gmail. Tap on Gmail. Scroll down. After that, tap on storage. You can see here clear cache and clear data. Tap on clear data. Tap on delete all data. Go back. Tap on permission. Tap on camera permission. Tap on microphone permission. Nearby device permission. Tap on allow notification. On allow phone permission. Now go back to your home screen and enter your number. If we found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys.